Everyone, assalamu alaikum. So here we'll see how to use Firestore function set. Now we use a set function to update certain fields of a document or create new fields for a document. Now over here we need a document ID to do that. So we know that from our earlier lesson we have this last document ID which is saved over here. Now we'll use this document ID, and how to use that? To be able to use that, you need to use Firebase collection reference. So here we do await. And what is our collection reference? Is this one. Previously we have created this, so I'll get this one. Previously we have created this, so I'll put it here. And then inside this we have to get the doc function, and doc function takes a document ID, and this is our document ID. We're gonna put it here, document ID, and from this object we're gonna call set. Now set actually takes map data or JSON type data, and inside this you need to put the fields you want to update. So let's go ahead and do that. Now here this is the same as in backend. Now this is the last document and these are the fields over here. Now I want to update this age and this code over here. Here it says coder, but I want to update it to a programmer. Everything else I'll keep the same. Now for age, instead of 40 I could do say 60, and then instead of coder I could do a programmer. All right, now after that I'm going to restart the app so that the code takes effect, and now I'm going to hit this button over here, and this button would call this method. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, it's done over here. Now over here we already see that it changed to 60 and the job changed. Yeah, so that's how you go ahead and use a set function in the Firebase collection. Now here we kept all the original fields. What will happen, you can also actually just keep some of the fields. For example, you can just keep this name and age, and maybe you could do, say for example 30, and the name is just as before, do a small letter. Now let's go ahead and restart it, and after that over here we are going to hit this button. Now let's check our document. Now in this case we see that other fields like job and country, they have been removed and it's been updated with the new value and the fields. Okay, so with the set function it also removes your fields. It can also add new fields if you just mention a field in it. Yeah, that's how you go ahead and work with Firebase Firestore set function. Thank you.